lahat, buong puso po namin kayong tinatanggap dito sa PR730 patungong Bangkok. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, welcomes you on board PR730, now ready to depart for Bangkok.
Hi there, thank you very much for clicking on my video. My name is Maki. Tahimik lang tayo ngayon kasi nandito tayo sa lounge. It's currently 3 minutes before 4 AM. Maraming natutulog, but yeah, kakadating ko lang dito kasi dumating ako ng Terminal 2. Ng around 11:30, 11:15. Sakay na tayo sa aeroplano, na-upgrade ako ng comfort class. So let's see what the experience is like. Hello, nandito na tayo sa Terminal 1. It's currently 3 AM. Nag-transfer ako from Terminal 2. Ngayon Terminal 1 na. Ang daming tao, sobra. Ito ang Terminal 1 ngayon. It's January 21. Sobrang daming tao. Bayad muna tayo sa travel tax. Andito siya. So, ang price is this one. For first class, economy, as yung mga yan. Ayan. Nakatapos na tayo sa immigration. Wala pang 2 minutes. Tatak agad. So we're now heading to Mabuhay Lounge. Ayan. So airline lounges. Tapos gate 7 tayo. So dito rin tayo. So alam niyo naman na itong Terminal 1. So, gate 7 tayo. Tapos dyan lang banda yung Mabuhay Lounge, so we're heading there. Sa kabila pala yung Mabuhay Lounge. So, after immigration, kumanan pala dapat. Ayan. 4th floor ang Mabuhay Lounge. There. There we are.
Far forward.
Ang ganda ng Mabuhay Lounge. Hindi tayo masyadong mag-ano kasi may mga natutulog. Pero ang laki niya. Dito ka order ng cocktails or mocktails, tapos dun yung pagkain sa lagan. Tayo sa mga selection dito. Salad. Tapos syempre arroz caldo, tapos noodles. Ayan, prep na, hasabawan mo na lang. Tapos may scrambled eggs saka corned beef and garlic fried rice. Pang breakfast lang yung peg nila. So lahat yan libre. Ayan, bread. Ay, gusto ko yung siomai. Ayan, meron silang siomai, dumplings, tapos yung mga pastries. Ayan. Busog ka na, dito ka pa lang. Ito masarap. And this one too. Kakain ko ng pagkain, but this is what I got right now. Ayan. Sarap. Kain tayo. It's currently 3 minutes before 4 AM. Maraming natutulog, but yeah. Kakadating ko lang dito kasi dumating ako ng Terminal 2. Terminal 2 ng around 11:30, 11:15. I met with some friends. So, pumunta ko doon. 3:00 ako bumalik dito. So, ayan. Mabilis lang yung immigration. Actually, mas matagal pa yung tinayo ko sa pag-iintay. Siguro kasi yung previous travel na ako. Tapos they just asked kasi parang yung previous daw na yung previous na alis ko, yung pinakahuli, hindi raw nilagay ko ano yung trabaho ko. Yun lang, parang tinanong lang yung trabaho. Tapos sabi ko, I also have a COE. Para lang kung gusto mong makita. Tinignan lang. Tapos yun, it's just less than 2 minutes na tapos na rin agad. Matagal pa talaga yung tinayo ko. Siguro kasi nga, I already have previous travels before. So, ganun. Ngayon nandito ako sa Mabuhay Lounge. It's really nice here. Ang tao, puno yan. Tapos nandun yung pagkain. Tapos nandun yung mga lounge, mga higaan, tulugan. Pwede. Meron din sila ditong shower. You can also do shower. And hindi ako naka-business class. I was able to get access to this place kasi nga elite member ako. So kaya ko rin prioritize sa mga local travels last year kasi it's gonna add up. And magiging elite ako because of the many travels I've had last year. So yun. So kain tayo dito. Start na pa board. Kakalabas ko lang ng lounge. Gate 4 tayo. So we're going now. So we're heading to gate number 7. Gate number 4. So dun siya sa baba. So medyo malayo-layo pa. So more lakad. And ito yung view. Doon ako galing. Gate 4 daw. So hanapin lang natin yung gate 4. Gate 3. Gate 5. Siguro yan yung gate 4. So diretso tayo kasi elite.
Lahat, buong puso po namin kayong tinatanggap dito sa PR730 patungong Bangkok. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, welcomes you on board PR730, now ready to depart for Bangkok. Our pilots for this morning's flight is headed by Captain R.G. Masigla, Aviation Controls by First Officer Mario Asuncion, First Officer Patrick Versosa, and First Officer Ray Behag. And I'm Alice Del Rosario, your flight purser. Our flying time this morning to Bangkok is 3 hours, and we shall be cruising at 33,000 feet. Our warm welcome to all Mabuhay milers on board. At this point, we will now be showing to you the safety features of this aircraft of Boeing 777 in accordance with Philippine Civil Aviation Regulation. Kindly watch the monitors in front of you.
Before we record, we want to let you know how much we care about your safety. This is inspired by everyone in the country for the safety of everyone in this flight.
For set and down, be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in the overhead compartment and small heavy items under the seat component. Let us also ensure that all aisles and exit rows are clear of any items.
Smoking in the airplane is strictly prohibited. This includes the use or charging of e-cigarettes.
Also, tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors is a serious offense. Please set your mobile and tablet devices to airplane mode. Be sure to store large devices at this time. And also, please switch off all your transmitting portable electronic devices. If your gadget slips between the seats, do not adjust the seat. Please call a cabin crew member for assistance.
Fasten your seatbelt throughout the flight, especially during takeoff and landing.
To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle until you hear it click. Tighten and pull the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle and pull free end.
Also, please fasten your seatbelt over your blanket so our crew can easily see that you're safely strapped in. Should there be a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop in front of you. When this happens, hold mask firmly towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place it over your nose and mouth, hold the elastic band first enough fit and breathe normally. The oxygen will flow even if the bag is not inflated. Breathe in out now. Remember to put on your own mask first before assisting others. Keep mask on until you're advised to remove it. Emergency exits are clearly marked along each side of the cabin. Please locate the nearest exit which may be behind you. That marking will guide you to the emergency exit. Please rise at the emergency landing. Remove all sharp objects from your body. Wait for instructions if you're going to disgrace position. For water landing, your life vest can be found under your seat or inside your center console. To use your life vest, place it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and push the end to buckle. Inflate your life vest by pulling down the inflation cords at the bottom or by blowing through the mouth. To release air, push pin inwards. Inflate the life vest only outside the aircraft. Your life vest light will automatically switch on once submerged in water. We've covered almost everything before takeoff and landing. Please have your seatbelts securely fastened. Your footrest, drink control, and in-seat monitors filled. Window shade raised and your seat in an upright position.
Now that we're all settled, you can learn more about our in-flight safety procedure when reading the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. Also, please be extra careful when handling hot beverages.
Ladies and gentlemen, sit back and relax. We're about to take off. We hope you enjoy this in-flight safety video made by the Filipino, for the Filipino, and for the world.
Mabuhay! From Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
38,000 feet. Our flight today would take us 3 hours and we would cover total distance of 1,300 miles. It is now exactly 10:45 9:45 in the morning in Bangkok being 1 hour behind of that of Manila. Expect touchdown time at the Suvarnabhumi International Airport at 12:05. Philippine Airlines require that each passenger should have their seatbelt securely fastened all throughout the flight. We're expecting beautiful weather in Bangkok, currently of warm 34 degrees Celsius, visibility of 6 kilometers, and winds coming in from the southeast. Give you an update on the latest Bangkok weather before we start our descent. Our flight purser, Aris Del Rosario, together with his team, will do the best to bring your flight up to us long. In the meantime, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. On behalf of my first officers, Mario Asuncion, Ray Behag, and Pat Bersoga, thank you again for choosing to fly Philippine Airlines. Welcome aboard.
Past the hour of 12 noon. Bangkok is 1 hour behind that of Manila time. Recorded ground temperature is at 28 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, kindly keep some distance among passengers when deplaning. For passengers who need assistance, please approach any of our cabin crew or ground staff who will be very happy to assist you. And on behalf of Captain Masigla and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Wait na tayo, touchdown, Bangkok. Nantok pa rin ako. Nakatulog na ako ng bonggang-bongga sa sa aeroplano, pero antok pa rin ako. But nandito na tayo. We're heading to the immigration and passport control. Tapos baggage number 17 daw kami. So follow lang. Apakalaki ng airport nila. Arrivals, transfer desk, connecting. So patuloy lang tayo. Malayo-layo pa itong lalakbayin natin. Dire-diretso lang. Mas meron agad dito ng mga internet MMA, but we will not get that. Nag-clock tayo, so kukunin natin yung booking sa clock. Doon yung mga pang-connecting flight, transfer desk. More lakad, more fun pa talaga to. Dire-diretso lang talaga tayo dito hanggang makarating tayo sa dapat nating paratingan. Arrivals, tapos yung may visa. So dito yan. Susunod papasok tayo dyan. Ayan. Sobrang daming tao. Kakakuha ko lang ng gamit ko. Dito kami sa 17 na baggage claim. Pagod ako. Ang daming tao, so I had to wait mga 30 minutes and over for immigration. Pero mabilis lang. Kasi nga, wala namang visa ang Pinas. So, fingerprint agad, tapos picture, tapos na. Ngayon, ang order of business is kumuha ng SIM card tsaka nung daily pass na in-avail ko. So, hanapin natin. Ayan, nasa labas na tayo. Kailangan natin pumunta sa second floor. I think ito na yung second floor. Hanapin lang natin yung clock. Feeling ko second floor na to. Kailangan natin ma-figure out sa natin. Ayun ang clock, I think. So, kailangan natin pumunta doon. Para sa clock. Pero dahil option dito. Yung pala yung clock. Sobrang daming tao. Pero, ayan, nasa second floor. Second floor tayo eh. So, hanapin lang natin yung clock. Tandaan yung mga options. Hindi ko lang makita kung nasan ang clock. DTAC. Sa clock na ano tayo counter. So, hanap-hanap. Ayan. Nakatapos ako sa clock. Ngayon, mag-withdraw tayo sa ATM. So, ang clock is sa gate 1. Yan, gate 1. So, kung mag-exit kayo doon, lalakad kayo ng dulo para mag-exit. Ito yung clock. Tapos after nyo mag-clock, pwede na kayo mag-withdraw. Ayan, naka-withdraw na tayo. Ngayon, naka-withdraw na tayo. Nakuha na natin yung rabbit card. May SIM card na rin tayo. Ang next order of business is mag-picture sa taas. Isa departure para lang masabi na nasa Thailand ka. Tapos noon, we're going down sa basement para sa ART ba yun? Basta yung connection nila from airport to the main subway line sa main train line ng Bangkok. So, if I'm not, akit muna tayo. Karirin muna natin ang pag-akit para makapagpa-picture dun sa Bangkok Ayan, ngayon pupunta na tayo ng pinaka second basement, parang ganun, para sa ART. Tapos check ko din yung storage locker, yung luggage storage nila, kung pwede tayong maka-avail kasi I have river cruise dinner mamaya at andaay kong bitbit. So, hanapan natin ng paraan to. Dahil kasi mamayang gabi rin, diretso na ako ng Cambodia. So, we need talaga to figure it out. Ayan, pa-basement na tayo. Nandito na yung public taxi, yung mga sasakayan ng buses, tapos dito rin yung connection ng tren. So, yun yung hanapin natin today. Ayan. So, yun yung ipa-follow lang natin. Yung airport rail link sa basement siya. So, ayan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa first floor pala. Airport link yung basement, tapos lager. So, we'll go there. Dito na yun. Sundan lang natin yung madlang people. Ang ganda na airport ng Thailand, ng Suvarnabhumi. Susundan lang natin sila. Hindi tayo mag-grab kasi mahal ang grab dito, kaya tayo ay magte-tren. Ayan, nasa basement na tayo. Ayan. Ito yung pa-airport link yung papasok dyan. Pero punta muna tayo sa... Dito rin makakakuha ng mga SIM cards. Kung hindi kayo magbubuksaklok, tapos yung mga palitan na magaganda dito yung banda. So, gusto ko makita yung storage. Yun yung purpose ko ng pagbaba dito. Ito yung papunta ng ART. Yan, dito papasok ka dyan. Papunta ng airport transfer. Yan, dito yung mga palitan ng mga bonggang palitan. Tapos ito yung mga storage, luggage storage, eme. So tingnan natin kung magkano dyan kasi gusto ko maglagay para hindi ako magbutbit ng madaming. Ito yung palitan. Papakita ko sa inyo kung magkano yung palitan ngayon. Ayan yung palitan if you're bringing US dollars. Philippine peso, wala dito. Ayan, Chinese 54 cents and 50 ganun. So better na mag US dollars.